Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with my monthly favorites. As I've mentioned before, I'm a big fan of Malayalam movies and this time I have a Malayalam rom-com for you. So one of my favorite rom-com in Malayalam is Om Shanti Oshana. So this is an old movie which I had watched before, but somehow I ended up watching it again last month. Every time I watch this movie, I fall in love with these characters. So the story basically revolves around this young girl called Pooja Matthew who falls in love for the first time and how she doesn't let go of it. If you are somebody who loves rom-com, I think you should watch this. So the second movie which I want to talk about is a thriller. So Karthik and I are a big fan of thrillers and we keep searching for good thrillers and somehow we ended up watching this movie on ZEE5. Trust me, it is a very simple story yet it keeps you on edge till the end. So if you are looking for a good thriller, then I think you should watch this movie called Barrett House on ZEE5. Moving on to the next category, that is favorite music. So I have picked two of my favorite songs which I've been listening to lately. This mashup by the band called The Police and the Madcon called Can't Stand Losing You. So this is a brilliant song. I actually first heard it in this movie called Just Go With It, where Jennifer Aniston actually walks in a bikini to jump into water. If you listen to it, you're gonna fall in love with it. So just go and listen to this. And the link to this is available in the description box. And the second song which I want to talk about is my favorite Kannada song. This is from the movie called Godi Banna Sadharana Maikattu and the song is called E Sanjege. Actually it has two versions, male and female version. I like the male version better. It is basically a jazz. I think if you're a jazz lover you should listen to it. Moving on to the next category, that is my favorite TV series. I was in a mood to watch some Korean drama, so I ended up watching this series called Crash Landing on You. One of my friends recommended that to me too, so I picked that series and I started watching it. Initially I was a little skeptical because each episode was around 1 hour, but in the end it was all worth it because I fell in love with that series. If you're looking for some chick flick TV series, I think you should watch this. Especially you should not miss the male lead in it. I really found him cute. So the next and the last favorite for the month is the game Rummy. Honestly, I did not know how to play Rummy, but Karthik and his cousins taught me how to play Rummy and now I am in total love with this game. The best part about this game is you do not need many people, you just need 2 people. Actually, me and my husband play every day and we love it. So if you are looking for some good source of entertainment, please go learn Rummy, play it for fun and enjoy. So these were my favorites for the month and I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have, make sure you give a big thumbs up. If you are new, please do not forget to subscribe and I'll see you again till then. Bye.